In this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate your Bybit account. Step 1. Open the Bybit app on your device and log into your account using your credentials. 2. On the home page, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner to access your account settings. 3. Scroll down to find the security section and tap on it. Look for the Deactivate an account option under Account Activities and select it to proceed. 4. You'll be presented with 3 options to choose from as you reason to account deactivation: suspicious account activity, or no longer wish to use, or others. Account deactivation is final action. Once you confirm the deactivating, the process cannot be undone and you will lose access to your account indefinitely. Before deactivating your account, ensure that all option positions are closed and any remaining balances are withdrawn. It's also advisable to download or note any necessary information or transaction histories you may need for future references. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.